Okay, we're here live today with Michelle, and we're here with Alicia W. in Middletown, Pennsylvania. So we just wanted to make sure that you guys are seeing us live. Miriam?
Nope.
Okay, so here we are today in Pennsylvania. We're here with a sister duo, and we're on Hometalk here. So we just wanted to bring you guys live. We're gonna need your help here picking some paint colors. So definitely tune in. Let me know where you guys are coming from. It looks like we have Elizabeth from Mass, Kansas. Lori, hi. How are you guys? Send us some thumbs up. We're going live. We're with the Hometalk crew here. They came down from New York City to be with us in Pennsylvania. So you guys just want to introduce yourselves a little?
Sure. I'm Alicia W. I am a creator on Hometalk. And this is my sister Michelle. And
Hi.
we're here to do some DIY in her house today.
Woohoo! Do some DIY projects.
We are in Middletown, Pennsylvania.
Woo!
Yep, which is TMI. If you ever heard of that accident, this is where it happened.
So we have people tuning in from all over the country. So why don't we tell people what we're asking for, what we're doing today? It looks like we've got some paint choices up on the wall we might need some help with.
Yes, today what we're going to do is we are going to paint Michelle's hallway. Right now it's
This
pink.
lovely color of salmon.
Oh, is it salmon?
Sure.
And we need some different color here. So we have A, which is a darker, it's called Sand Dollar. It's like a tan, a little darker tan. We have neutral tan, which is a neutral tan. And we have Divine White, which is a gray, has a little bit of a gray tone to it. So help us choose A, B, or C. What do you think would look good in her hallway?
Yeah, so we have people tuning in from all over the country, guys. If you guys want, just comment in what you think would look best, what color you think is, better than this pink that we have here. And
Most things would be, right?
oh, we have a person who's tuning in and saying that her son is going to PSU.
Oh,
nice.
nice! Yeah, right. That's right up the street from here.
I went to PSU Harrisburg too.
Oh, we're getting a lot
I
of
did teach
bees.
there.
We're gonna just
Michelle, talk
go in
there.
a little closer. What do you guys think? Alicia, can you just tell us the names of them again?
Yes, this is called Sand Dollar.
Natural tan.
And it's a sand dollar color. I always say. This is natural tan, so it's a little bit lighter. And then we have a Divine White, which has a gray undertone. These are tan. This one's more gray.
Wow, so a lot of B's and C's and stuff. We're also just wondering what other, what other colors do you have in your house? I know your living room has another color.
I have a green, almost like a sage.
Yeah, sage.
It would
Sage green.
C's.
goes good with the
Okay.
neutral.
B
So
from San Antonio, C from Ohio, B or C, Jennifer said. Wow, it looks like we have a lot. Okay, well, we're gonna pick a color right now. We're also getting an A.
Really?
Yeah,
Good.
it looks like Evelyn said A. So yeah, I guess C would brighten up the area. The trim is
Absolutely.
white, guys, so as you can
Yep.
see, we'll just back up.
And we're going to keep it white because we're going to paint the walls and keep everything a nice crisp white. So
As you can see, we're gonna paint those two. So okay, wow.
what are we getting?
Looks like we're having a winner here. We can move back so you guys can see the whole wall. Just one more time. Here's the wall. It's pink. And we'll have Michelle just show us the colors. Okay. Last picks, guys. Last votes here. We also need your help one with something else. So quickly pick this. Let's see. Wow, lots of comments. C. Great. C it is, guys.
Okay.
Woo! Okay, we
what
have
we're doing.
Divine White.
My bad. Divine White. Woohoo. Good pick. Girl, get out of the way so you can see it.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay, well, you know what? Now we're going to move on. I know we have some
the
other
floor.
projects that we're doing. We have some projects that we're going to do downstairs. So, Alicia, can you just tell us what we're going to do with the stairs?
Yeah, the stairs, we're going to pull up the carpeting and the padding, and we're going to sand the stairs down. We're going to paint the fronts of the stairs, or the kick plate of the stairs, white, which would be here. And then the treads, we're going to sand those smooth, and we're going to stain them. So we need your help picking stain color. So A, we've got Early American. B, we have Maple. And C, we have red oak. So there are the colors.
Okay. So just one more time for you guys that missed that. Sorry, we're walking down the stairs. It looks like we're picking C for the wall color.
Yes.
Which
is
more-
divine
is
white.
divine white, so it's a gray. Oh, we have Jennifer. Jennifer says, hi, Liz. So if you guys just want to help pick colors here, what you guys like for the
I'm
stairwell.
going to show them the hardwood.
Here's the hardwood, so just, yeah.
Here,
here you
maybe
go.
what we can do is we can go like this.
This is the hardwood that's on the floor, so we're putting them on the stairs, these stains. So if that is like a good comparison.
Yeah, this is a little redder.
C red oak. We're getting a lot of C red oak.
Okay.
Again, C.
All right.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
That looks nice together.
Yeah. Woohoo. Wow. Monica, Joy, red oak.
Okay.
Jennifer, red oak. Place C next to the samples.
Oh, the samples of the paint?
Oh, okay. Let me get
Here, we're gonna.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We should look at it all at once.
Yeah, we'll show you the flooring,
show the
so you guys
flooring.
can see like what we're gonna do.
It looks
here.
like there's a lot of, can I move this down? So that's C, and that's up against the existing flooring in the living room.
There's the
and
paint
then
color.
There's the paint. It's harder.
Yeah, it's hard to sort of see the.
It's like a gray, like a very, very, very light gray. So there's that one. Here's the maple. Okay, and then we have the early American.
What do you guys think of that? Uh-oh. Okay.
All
red
right.
oak. It looks like our winner today is C again, the red oak.
Right.
So those are the colors you guys picked for the stain for the stairs and the wall. Yeah, I know we're getting a lot of comments that maybe you should just try B one more time.
Okay, B.
Yeah, we can put it on the floor so you guys can see.
This is 2 coats of that.
That's 2 coats.
That's
Lisa?
2 coats, yeah. So
Okay.
it might be a little darker.
One more time with the C, maybe put them next to each other.
Okay.
Okay, guys, here's your final 2 colors choices. The wall is gonna be white, this gray. It's called Divine White. And so between those 2, Celeste said C. What do you think, Michelle? It's Michelle's house.
I'm thinking C goes really nicely with the existing flooring and contrasts well with the white.
Kathy agrees. Kathy said C.
I think this is a little too light. I mean, even if we put more coats on, I think it would be too light. But that's just me.
Okay.
Yeah, Rebecca said if you want to send hearts for B,
There's me.
you can
Oh,
go
there you
ahead.
go. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Just so you know, this is B and this is C.
That was the maple. And this was
Yeah,
red
Susan
oak.
said B's too light. Lisa said red oak is good. Okay, wow, lots of votes. Okay, last minute to cast your votes here, people. Woohoo! Yeah, darker floor, Mary. So we're
Oh, yeah, it's
DIYing
gonna
this
depend
project
on- look at
today
all the
in
hearts.
Middletown, Pennsylvania. Look at all those hearts. Yeah, so we're here in Middletown with Alicia and Michelle, who are sisters, and we're gonna do a DIY project.
Someone had a question about what were the steps made out of.
Oh, the steps are pine. And that's what this is. That's why I did the samples on that. And they're pine.
But now are we staining what's on the steps
No,
now?
we're sanding everything
We're
down.
sanding it down. And
then
then
staining it.
Wow,
it.
Jerry,
Okay.
Julie,
So we're saying
darker,
everybody's liking this one.
the red oak,
I
yeah.
think so. It looks
Yeah,
unanimous
Colleen,
right there.
yeah, wow.
All
Okay,
right.
guys, thank you guys so
Cool.
much.
So here you go. They're
So
the
thanks
winners.
for helping us. There's your 2 winners today. We have the, Alicia, can you just tell us more about that? What that says?
The red oak. This
Yeah,
is
red
this
oak.
is red oak, and then this is called Divine White. It's got a gray undertone that'll really, really brighten up her excuse me, her hallway. Thanks, guys. That's awesome.
Awesome. Thank you guys for tuning
great.
in today. Just one real quick, you can just say hi to Michelle and Alicia.
Hi, buddy.
We're coming to you from Pennsylvania. So, Any last remarks? If you guys have anything, you're excited about this DIY project?
Yes.
I am
Very,
excited.
very
It's
excited.
going to look really nice.
Yep.
Thank you, everybody, for your help.
Awesome. Well, bye guys. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. See you. Thank you.